In this video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Lloyds Contactless card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Most Lloyds cards will have contactless payment options. However, they need to be enabled or disabled accordingly by using the mobile app. So if you would like to manage this setting on your specific Lloyds card, open the latest version of the Lloyds Bank app. In here, look for the cards option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Alternatively, you can also look for Manage Cards. This will allow you to view PIN, freeze card, and more. So go to Manage Cards or tap Cards at the bottom right corner. When you go over to all of your cards, if you have multiple, you will need to select the specific one that you would like to manage the options for. So use the arrows at the left and the right to browse between them, or if you only have one, it should be selected by default. So tap Select. Now, upon doing this, you will be able to see all of the card freezes and limits. If you don't see this immediately, just look for freezes and limits, and upon these options, you will find contactless transactions, freeze contactless card, and Apple Pay or Google Pay payments. So all that you have to do is make sure that this option is enabled or disabled according to your preferences. Once you change this, your card will have contactless payments good to go. So you can physically tap it on the card reader to issue a payment. You also have other options, so payments abroad, payments online and remote, and in person. As long as you have this option here, contactless transactions enabled or disabled, you will be able to issue the payment. And you can change the limit for contactless payments, so tap on the option here, and you will be able to select a custom limit. As long as you go to card freezes and limits, all of these will be available for you to change. I hope I was able to help you on how to activate Lloyds Contactless card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.